If you're contemplating starting a business in one of these 8 industries, you are off to a great start. Check out these 8 business industries that are currently in high demand and that are growing significantly. Number 1 is dropshipping or online retail. Dropshipping is where you do not have to store inventory. Products that you sell are shipped directly from the manufacturer to your customer. Number 2, shipping and delivery services. There are lots of products being purchased all over the world every moment of every day. So any type of shipping or delivery services are in high demand. Number 3, AI technology. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is basically using machines to automate tasks that are otherwise performed by humans. So, any type of service you can offer that uses AI technology, that is the future. 4, online blogging. Online blogging has been around for a while. This is where you have a website where you provide content on a consistent basis to a targeted audience. What you do to monetize that may be offering also products, services, or someone else's, which means you would become an affiliate for someone else's products or services. 5, virtual assistants. There are many people who need assistance virtually all over the world. So if you have the skills to be an assistant and can provide a variety of services virtually, then virtual assistants could be a good option for you. 6, digital marketing. If you're great at sales, digital marketing is a really good option. This is basically selling products and services using digital channels. This can include any type of search engines, social media, websites, web devices. Doesn't matter. If it's digital and you can market through it, then that would be considered digital marketing. 7, online coaching and training. We live in a world that is hungry for information and education. If you have a skill set, if you have experience in any area, and you can provide some type of online training or coaching, that is an amazing option, especially because you can create digital products selling those trainings or courses. 8, app development. If you do have the skills to create apps, especially for mobile devices, that's amazing. If you don't, you can still hire someone or a company to create the apps for you. Either way, app development is a really great option.